Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you up to today, Tākaro Tribe?
We're looking at the sky. Why do stars twinkle at night and not during the day, Kōkā?
Well, stars do twinkle during the day, or we can't see them because of the glare of the sun.
Wow!
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
Ruru has invited you to watch the night sky with him. Would you like to do that?
We would, Pāpā Rākau.
Come to me then, but you must visit Kōkā first.
Ka pai. Let's go see Kōkā.
Ngāti Tākaro.
Kia ora, Kōkā. We're going to watch the night sky with Ruru tonight.
Did you know tonight is special?
No, Kōkā.
Tonight, a cluster of 7 special whetū, stars, appear in the sky.
Ooh!
So, when you're looking at the sky, keep an eye out for those 7 whetū, stars.
We will, Kōkā.
Now you need to go to Pāpā Rākau.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Matariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Ruru says the best view of the night sky is from a very high hill. He's waiting for you to join him there.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
She said we should watch out for a special cluster of whetū, stars.
Quite right, Or. That's because tonight, 7 whetū, stars, signal the start of Matariki.
What is Matariki, Pāpā Rākau?
It's the sign of the Māori New Year. Let's take a look. The Māori New Year begins in the middle of Takurua, winter. Just before dawn, 7 stars appear in the sky just above the horizon. That is the cluster of Matariki. Matariki, the mother, and her 6 daughters.
Oh, that's amazing, Pāpā Rākau. Kōriake, out of the way!
Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe.
Don't forget your recycling bags. You can collect pepper, paper. You collect the krahe, glass. You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānui e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e hui e tai ki e.
Watch out for a very high hill, Pooh.
Ka pai. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe. We're off.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the ngahere.
Yay! Yeah, look. I can see the puke. Hill.
Can you see anything else?
Ruru is waiting for us.
Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish.
Hey, I've got some glass. I found an ipu kiriho, a plastic container.
That's not the right bag.
Yay!
Kū. Good evening, Tākaro Tribe.
Tēnā koe e Ruru.
Are you ready to watch the night sky?
Whoa! Oh, I can see the moon.
Wait! Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
On that toka rock. Whetū is the word of the day.
Kōkā said to watch out for a special cluster of stars.
Look to the horizon.
Whoa! How about those, Whetū? Stars over there.
These are the 7 stars of the Matariki cluster.
There's Matariki, the mother.
And with her are her 6 tamahine, daughters.
That's twinkling to say Happy New Year to us. Yay! Ngā mihi o te tauhoi e Ruru.
Happy New Year, Tākaro Tribe.
Thank you, Ruru. Goodbye. We have to go home now.
the Tākaro Tribe. Did you see a special cluster of whetū, stars?
Ai, Pāpā Rākau.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Whetū.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
We had a very special day, Kōkā.
Very good. Let's take another look at what you did today. You met Ruru on a high hill. You all looked up at the night sky, looking for a special cluster of stars. You saw the 7 stars that make up the cluster of Matariki. And you learned a new word. Whetū. Whetū. That was a beautiful evening. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoi pō Māori e. E kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki raro. E pai ai o moe moe a. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai